CN, if you're still not using AI to create video ads in 2025,
you dey play. G4G AI HUB showed me how to create ads in minutes.
I dey create AI ad for my mom's business.
Look at this amazing meat pie, and the cakes are just as good.
Like, look at the reviews from customers. Linda does not play with customer satisfaction. Place orders now, it's plenty.
At Linda's Chops.
For just 2,000 Naira for the first 5 people. Tap link.
Now this is the website we are going to be using. Unlike other AI platforms, this one gives you like 10 seconds right, to generate video. This one, you can see it has advanced features for professional videos creation. I like this AI generation tool, to be honest. It's very cool. I really love it, and I used it. It's very wonderful. So now what I want to do now is I want to create a particular ad, right, for my course, video course, right, to teach people how to make AI videos, how to make UGC ads, right. So now the thing is, what you're first of all going to do is to go to ChatGPT to get your script, right. Just get everything ready, right. Get everything ready so that you're going to be now be putting it like step by step and then creating your video. So I've already created the first scene for this particular ad video. So this is the script I used actually. So you can see it here. Okay, this do it again. Let me go up, show you what the first script. So this is the first script I used. You can see I said I want to create an advertisement video, right, for my brand G4G AI HUB. Now it's an AI course that teaches people how to create video ads for their businesses and that of others, right. Make a creative in such a way that different people, e.g. a young man, a woman, a child, right, and even a cat will be pitching the course, right. So use all the psychology of sales in doing it. I want to create this video with VEO 3, right, and then let it be 30 seconds, right. So please provide me with a prompt and to use. Remember, it's Nigeria. So just this remember it's Nigeria, just to make it understand that the content is for Nigeria, because if you just do a random ad, it's going to just give you different, let's say, American accent or whatever accent, right. So specifically for Nigeria. But if you're an American watching this video, you can just leave it that way, or you can specify or whatsoever country you are watching. Good. So now then it gave me this wonderful prompt. You can see it here. So what I did was to copy the first prompt, right, and pasted it. But let me show you what I did here. So you can see here I said do it again, combine the script with cool camera angles. Note that video 3 does only 8 seconds video, right. Actually it does 10 seconds, but I just gave it the normal format of video 3. So 8-second video. So do it in such a way that when I paste the prompt and it generates the first 8 seconds, right, I will proceed to type next for it to generate from only where it stopped, right, and then in that order. So this is what it gave me, right. You can see it here. So it started with the prompt 1 is 0 to 8 seconds, right. Prompt 2 8 seconds to 16 seconds. So just be very creative. The reason why I'm showing you this for you to be creative with your scripts. Please be very creative with your script. Now I created the first video. You can see it here. Let me play it so that you are going to see it.
CN, if you're still not using AI to create video ads in 2025,
you dey play. G4G AI HUB showed me how to create ads in minutes. Clean, sharp.
So you can see that is the first scene, right. That is just the first scene. You can see a man, camera. CN, if you're still not using AI to create video in 2025, you dey play. So this is the second one, the second girl that did. So just make sure that your script, all the scripts are going to be on the description of this video actually. So just make sure that you get your script well. Good. So that's how I did. Now I edited this script in such a way, right. I edited it to my test, because you can edit the script to your test, right. So I'm going to copy the script I edited and then paste it on that platform, and then we're going to see how it's going to generate. So this is the script I worked upon, right. So this is the script I worked upon. So let me just copy it. I'll take it back to this platform, right. So what I'm going to do here is come here and then paste the platform. So this is the name of the platform, AigenMax, right. So link is going to be on the description of this video. So you just paste it here, and what you're going to do is just to come down, right. Come down here and then choose your aspect ratio. I want it in 16:9. Just that even though you put it at 16:9, to still give you that even if you put it at 9:16, it's going to give you that 16:9 kind of. So what you're going to do is come down here and just tap on this generate, and you're now going to come here and then wait for it to generate, right. So let's wait and see what it gives us. Hopefully it gives us something nice, but I like the platform actually. Please subscribe to the channel if you're watching, if you're here for the first time, and like this video. Share with your friends, please, if you get value from it. So it has finished generating. It's just that I observe a little error, but I'm going to edit that, right, or I'm going to make another one, to be honest. So just listen to what it created.
If I fit learn why you no go fit?
Young man says for just 2,000 Naira, first 5 people only.
Click the link now, make you be the first to.
There's a lot of editing I have to do on this script. To be honest, there's a lot of things I don't like on the script, but I will just edit that, or I can still go ahead with it, right? But I want it to be very clear. So part of the mistakes I've gotten here is this young man says. I don't want that young man says, so I'm going to like delete all of that young man says, and I'm also going to all of this camera hide and remove all of this excited. I think those are part of the things that is just confusing the whole script, but just do this to your own test. Please do this to your own test. Don't completely just follow exactly what I'm telling you to do. Don't be like a robot. Be very creative with this thing. I'm just showing you what you could do, the possibilities with these things, please. So I'm just going to work on that and just edit the video and make it better for my own test. So if you're done, all you have to do is just come here to this dot. Don't tap on, don't delete, don't download it here. I don't know, for some reason, but let me try download it to see. Download successful, generated. You see, just come to this three dots here and then just download it here. It's faster and better. I don't know, each time I tap on this download, it gives me a headache. So you get the point. So if you got value from this video, like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed, share with your friends, and see you guys in the next video. If you have any comment, also can drop it on under the comment section, please. If you have any like improvements, inquiries, whatsoever, just drop it in the comment section. I can also join my WhatsApp new channel, right? So just click under the description of this video. Everything is there, all the links are there. So see you guys on the next one.